Hello guys, let's start with GFG POTD, a maximum corrected group. You are given a square binary grid. A grid is considered binary. If every value in the grid is either 1 or 0, you can change at most one cell in the grid from 0 to 1. You need to find the largest group of connected ones. Two cells are said to be connected if both are adjacent to each other and both are same value. Okay, so let's start with this. It's hard and it also took quite time for me to solve. I explained from scratch guys, so let's solve it. So basically to solve this one, firstly I tell you should have a basic understanding about the DFS. If you don't know also no problem, you can check it outside once. First see this video guys, I will explain from everything from scratch so that you get it. If you don't understand it, check use it once again. But for a basic understanding, see DFS video guys. Basically I'll upload it after this video. Okay, so check this one also. You may understand it. So let's solve it, guys. I explained from scratch. Basically, what the question is, see here one is there. Adjacent of one, another one is there. Let me explain in this board. Here one is there. Adjacent to it, another one. Adjacent to it, another one. Adjacent to it, one. So like that, every element is attached, right? See, every element attached to one, adjacent to one, four sides, four directions. One, four directions. Here left is not there and up is not there. Four directions. Any adjacent value, they are connected, right? See, you can check it properly. Four directions. So this is a box, and so what they are saying is how many islands are there in here? Islands means number of boxes, means number of suppose is a hexagon, there is a normal square. Number of islands is two, means number of islands with only ones, two, right? Now what they are saying is maximum area in we can change at you can change any 0 to 1 only one time. We can change any 0 to 1, this 0 or this 0 or this 0, any 0. We have to return the maximum area of the box, means in the square maximum area of the island, means the island with maximum area, that area we should return. So we can make this one 0 to 1, this one 0, anything 0 to 1. So this is the question guys. So let's solve it. Let's find the logic first. So any we can put any 0 to 1, right? So this 0 to 1, this 0 to 1, this 0 to 1. So any 0 we can put here. If you put here 1 0, then there will be means no logic, right? If you put here 1, so means if you put here 1 means nothing will happen, right? Means this will be again we'll reduce the maximum area, right? So we should put in a possible way so that maximum area is increased. So for this one, what I'll do it, I'll explain DFS in few seconds, but let me tell you the logic first. See, what does the DFS do? I'll write a code DFS in such a way that what does this DFS do? Int DFS means before DFS in function. Now, what does this DFS do is uh, if you are using any other language also, if you find out if you use this logic, you will get it guys easily. You can easily do it. So if what is DFS, I will write a DFX function in such a way that this DFS I will use two integers here, means I will give input as, means in the braces, two integers I and j. What are I and j is row number and column number, means this row and roll number 0 comma 0, right? Like that, if I give any numbers, means in the grid any, if I give 0 comma 0, this should return the box size, box area, means this one connecting every island is a box, right? This box area is how much? That should it return. Suppose this box area is 23, 4, 3, 7, 10, 11, right? So it should return 11. I will write a DFS function such that it should return 11. Suppose if I write a DFS of this one, this index, suppose if I write DFS of 0, comma 0, this index, it should return 11, right? Because this box area is 11. You should iterate every box and give me 11, right? So I'll write a DFS call such that it does that one. And after this, we are done with DFS. I like that I will calculate every box DFX. Now what they are saying is we can change any 0 to 1, right? Means any 0 we can change it to 1. Now what I will do is I'll use a for loop, for and for loop. means I'll iterate over the box, every element in the box. Basically, if you encounter any zero in this for and for loop box, if you encounter any zero, any grid value zero, see any if any grid value is zero means what will happen? We can change it to one, right? We can change it to one. We can change it to one means we can change it to one. But see, suppose if I encounter, suppose we are traveling like this. If we encounter zero here, suppose if we change it to one, what are its adjacent elements? This is a box. This is a one. This is a one. So this is a zero. So we'll not consider it. But this is a one and this is a one, right? See this one and this one. They both have same islands or different islands, right? Means here one and one both are connected. See, right? Here this one and this element are connected. But suppose here zero is there, here zero is there, here zero is there, here zero is there. This one element and this one element are not connected, right? This is a separate island and this one is separate island. So what now I'll do is for this one I'll write a map function. Easy guys, let's understand easy. I'll write a map function here. Map. Why map means for uniqueness, for unique islands. See, I will number every island, right, guys? I'll number every island from here on. Suppose this is an island. I'll number this one. This is the island. I'll number this one. I'll give unique number. I'll for uniqueness of islands, right? So for every number, suppose I start the island number from index from 2. If I take 1, it might be difficult, means it might merge with another values, right? I'll tell you in that one also in the code, but let me start from index 2. Island, I will make sure this has 2, means 2 means island number is 2. This island number is 1. Now see, we have two island numbers. Now I'm iterating the loop. If I found here 0, I told you, right? I iterate the loop. Anywhere I found 0, I found this 0. I'll check this as the adjacent element. Check this adjacent element and set, right? I'll use set here. See, what I will do is while doing DFS, I will make this island as 2. See, this island name is 2, right? I kept this island name as 2 here. You can see it. This island name 2. This island name is 3. So what I will do, I'll rename every island name as 2, right? See, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, you're getting my point. And this island name is 3, right? I'll rename it as 3. Now I wrote map, right? This map, what it will do is if I give island name here, it should return me number of 11. Number of ones are there in this one. If MPP of 2 I wrote, 2 means island number. 2 means island number, right? MPP of 2 I wrote, it should return me number of ones in that one. If I wrote MPP of 3, it should return me 1 because only one element is there. Like that, I'll write a map function using the DFS call. I'll tell you the DFS call in the code. So this will return me 1, this will return me 11. So number of islands in this one is 11, number of islands in this one. Now here I encountered 0. Left side 2 is there. So I'll check MPP of 2. What is MPP of 2 here? MPP of 2, 11. Okay, right? Downside I will check. Same, right? Left side island is same, downside island is same. So nothing will happen, right? What I will do, I'll add 1 plus MPP of 2. How much? 11 plus 1? 12. So basically it's over, right? 12. Same thing, guys. Again, I will tell you with a basic another thing, means another example. Are you getting my point? 11 plus 12. Like that, I will iterate every element. I like that. I will iterate every element. Here. I got 0 here. I'll check left, check right, check 0. Any map is there? No map, right? No map, right? 0 means no map. So no island. So I'll go. Here again, I encoded 0 here. I'll check leftwards. Leftwards in a map is there, except 0 and 1, everything is there. 2 is there, right? 2 means island 2. Island 2. So island 2, MPP of 12, right? MPP of 2, right? MPP of 2 is how much? How many ones are there? That one. So I'll add this one plus 1. Why plus 1 is here we are 0, we are converting to 1, right? So we'll maximize this one. I'll go to every element here. I'll go to every element, every 0, and maximize, and I'll check left, up, down, right, every side I will check, and I will find out the maximums. I hope you understand the logic, guys. A map will do. Map will return the number of islands in the particular map in the particular island. See, after doing DFS, this from index 2 I'll do, right? From index 2. If this island 1, I'll rename this island 2. Like that. This is very pretty easy, guys. In the code, I will discuss about DFS and BFS. Okay. So I hope you get it. If you don't understand, you can watch again, guys. So let's start our coding. Let's code it out. Let's code, guys. So I reduce the code as much as possible, as low as possible. So it's very understandable and easy. So let me write the DFS code first. Into DFS. I told you, right? I will give it. Uh, First I'll give index. Index means island number. Okay, we are issuing it island number, right? Uh, After that, I'll issue it grid. Grid means that matrix and grid. So what does the DFS call do? I will explain it. If I less than 0 means element does not exist, right? If I j less than 0, element is not existing, right? And I greater than or equal to grid 0 dot size means if it exists, means if it exceeds the value dot size, or if it exceeds the value next grid I and j is equal to 0. What I will do? I'll return 0, right? See, if I less than 0, j less than 0, I greater than, if means these conditions doesn't exist, right? I'll write another condition here. Mm, or grid of ij is equal to index. What does this index is? Island name, right? If already that is an island, means index means it starts from 2, right? I told you, right? Index starts from 2 to infinity. If already that is an island, then again why to give it unique island? If already that is an island, it's a part of an island, then again no need to give it, right? So grid of I comma j is equal to index. First I am means suppose I am calling this one. I am renaming the island name. I am giving it island name, right? This is the island name. I am giving to the index, this index. So I am renaming it. After that, I'll tell you what I am doing is DFS of index I plus 1 j grid, right? So I'll copy it and I'll paste it 4 times. 4. Okay. Array. Mm, perfect. I'm renaming this A, B, 4 directions, right? C, D. Uh, Comma C. Okay. Now return 1 plus A plus B plus C plus D. Right. Now what is the DFS call is? See, if I call DFS function I less than 0, j less than 0, I greater than equal to dp of, if I return this means if I call like this, let me paste it out here. See, if I give this call, I less than 0 means what? Below 0, nothing is there, right? So it should return 0. Obvious. J less than 0. This one is, and suppose if I am giving element greater than this greater than, what are these two conditions? These are obvious conditions, guys. You should know it properly. What are these two conditions means? If it is 0, no island, right? So no need, I'll return 0. Okay. But what this is, grid I equal to index means already an island name is given to that index. Then why again give a new name? Means if already it is there, then no need, right? Means again no need to again call DFS, right? If already that is viewed means suppose I'm giving a DFS call. If already that is given index, if already that is unique means suppose two is there. This element addition also two is there. Again, if I'm calling this one, again it is two is there. Again, why DFS call for this? No need, right? So if grid of ij equal to index, no need. I'll return zero, right? Now int a means I'm calling from I plus one. I will j plus one I minus 1 and obviously j minus 1, right? So these four calls I'll make. Why four means four directions, right? A, B, C, D. I'll make a D for make another video for DFS guys. You can watch it perfectly. So now I'll write n dot size obvious answer means the answer means maximum area, right? So initially it is zero. Now I'm giving it a map means I'm taking a map. Why map means if I give MVP of that island name, it should give me the number of ones in it, right? I'm starting from index one, so index two. One means it may coincide with the these ones. I'm giving names, right? If I give one here, it may coincide with this one, right? That's why I'm making it index two so that no collision happens. Now let me iterate the whole two times. Uh, so okay. Now while iterating, if grid right, sorry, grid of ij equal to one. If grid of ij equal to one, what it will do? Int group. Group means the whole group, right? If anywhere here one is there. Suppose let me erase this one. Okay. So if here one is there, it should return means into group means that the value that it will run a DFS call and tell me the number of elements are there. So into group is just DFS call, right? So DFS of index means island name. Okay. I j sorry, grid here, grid should be there, right? So grid comma I comma j. Let me remove this. Okay. After this one, what I will do is group, right? MPP of index means that island name is index, so I'll indicate group. This number is completed, so I'm increasing it one unique number, right? Unique number. Okay. Now max of answer comma group. Now till here, till here, I'll write a comments here. Answer equal to maximum area without converting from 0 to 1, right? From 0 to 1. So till we didn't convert till now we didn't convert anywhere here to 0 to 1. After this, what we will do is again run another for loop for making 0 to 1. Okay. So yeah. So if grid anywhere grid ij is equal to 0 anywhere if it is 0, now what we will do? I'm writing it maxi. Maxi means nothing, guys. It's I'll tell you. Okay. So I'm writing a set here. Now you may ask me what is the set? Set is for unique values means. Suppose if zero is there, suppose anywhere I encountered zero here. Let me say I encountered zero here. This adjacent, suppose this is island two, right? Suppose here one is there. Okay, it may coincide. So here one is there. Let me erase it and explain properly. While iterating here, this is island number two. Here one is there. Here one is there. Now this will be island number three, right? Now I found here 0. I'll iterate leftwards. Island number 2 is there, right? Now I'll iterate rightwards. Island number 3. So both are different. 2 comma 3. I will check the maximum. I'll put in the area. But I iterate downward also. Now what is it? Island number 2, right? This is also island number 2, right? So you need to find a unique, right? Again, why we need to store this one? So I'll for making it unique, I took set here. So This is also island number two, island number two, island number three. What does set do? It stores unique value set. Remember it, guys. Set means it stores unique sorted, unique and sorted, unique plus sorted. Okay. So let's take a set here. Next, if I greater than zero, set dot insert. Sorry, for set you will use insert, right? Grid of mm, I minus one j. See, in the DFS call, we renamed, right? In the DFS call, here, we renamed this one. See, this is for renaming, right? Alright, draw see. Mm. Here, grid ij equal to index means this is island name, right? We renamed this number to island name. So if here one is there, it will be written its island name. Two, we renamed the DFS call, right? So that's why if anywhere, I'm zooming it. Okay. So if I greater than zero, I minus one j insert. Okay, it should insert in the that it will insert its island name. Okay, so if j greater than zero, I'll copy paste the same code. Okay, so okay, control V. Here j should come with j minus one. Yeah, so here I less than equal to less than um, n minus one and j less than n minus one. Right here I will do j minus one, j minus one. Okay, I less than n minus one, so this one j less than n minus one, so j plus one. Here I'll remove here j minus one. So perfect, guys. You're getting right. See if basic conditions and I took set inside. And set will store values. Now I'll iterate over set. Okay. So it's set, it stores perfect values. So I iterate over set. What I'll do, max equal to max plus MPP of IT, right? MPP of IT means it stores the number of ones in it, right? So maxi plus plus. See, if zero is there here, I'm suppose if these are two islands, if I made 0 to 1, it will add this island's ones plus this island ones, right? That's why I'm making here 1 plus 1. I explain clearly here. Uh, See, for auto ATST means for I did our set. See, suppose two islands are there. Here a island is there 1. Here a island is there 2. Here middle element is there 0. If I made it 1, this ones plus this 2, this ones, right? These both equal to number max should contain, right? So that's why I am writing here max. Why maxi plus plus means I am converting this 0 to 1. So that 0 should be added, right? Now, after this, answer. I'll update answer. Sorry, maxi. So that's it, guys. I hope this should work. I done it. Maybe you should done it too. You should do it too. So I hope it works fine. Where? 1492. Let me check it, guys. So, where? Mm, somewhere. Brace is missing here. So, yeah. Now run it. So, again, 1 minute, guys. Yeah, I found it out. So, here, race should come. And again, where? Return. Here, answer should come. Return answer type. Let me run it out. I hope they should work fine. Any small. Yeah, here. So here, single mistake. So let's check it out. This time it will work fine. Array, again, 33. 1 minute, 33. Okay, index grid ij. Okay, where it's going wrong. Index. Okay, here. Oh, here, grid. Okay, here, brace. Sorry, bracket. No, comma. Hmm. Oh, yeah. I hope it works fine. Array, again, why? Some error, guys. 1 minute, I'll deal with it. 1 minute. So yeah, I found out, guys. So the wrong is here. I should come right. So that is the mistake, silly mistake. So I hope now it will work fine, guys. So yeah, so let's submit it. I hope it works fine. Please. Yeah. That's it for today, guys. So 7 attempts. Okay, no props. So I'll put again a DFS video, guys. Perfectly same explanation. So you can watch it if you want. So that's it for today, guys. Uh, I'm ending this now.